Welcome back the Welcome Tech VR. So in this today's tech episode, I'm gonna show you how you can increase your virtual RAM just for free. So basically, we are going to use a part of a disk in our PC so that our virtual storage can be maintained so that our PC can run smoothly. So be aware that this will improve a bit of performance only, not as much as the physical RAM itself. Anyway, your PC will run smoothly than before. So without any further ado, let's get started. So you have to follow some process and settings that will be covered within a minute. So you need to open setting and then you need to type there this PC, then you will get display like this. Then what you need to do is right click on this PC and then click on properties. After opening properties, it will redirect you to the next page where it will show you the properties of your PC. So my one is 2 GB, so sad to hear that. Anyway, now you need to click on advanced system settings at the left side. So you will see their advanced system settings. After clicking there, it will redirect you to the small UI where you will get there. So you will get there one option called performance where you will get visual effects, processor scheduling, memory usage and virtual memory. We need virtual memory, so click on that setting button. Now we need to click on that advanced option and then you will get interface like this. So this is the actual place where you will create your virtual memory. So you can see their virtual memory option. For proof, you can see there I have already created 4000 MB one virtual memory and you can too. Now click on change button and then you will get just like this. Now uncheck the first option. Now all of the disks of your PC will be shown here. Now what you need to do is simply select all the disks one by one and then you need to click on that, check on that customize and then set the appropriate value. Don't keep much as high as you can. Keep the appropriate just like such like 1000 or 2000 MB and then click on set button and then you will see the value that you kept on the right of the disk and then choose the next disk and click on customize and set the value such like 2000 MB 3000 MB such like that and then click on set. Now remember that the storage of your disk will be absorbed by this process, so then click on OK. Now your PC will set the changed setting. It will take some time. Now give your PC some time to save the changed setting that you have done and then click on OK. Then you will see there the virtual memory that you have created. And then for best performance you can go on the next option and then you can check their best performance setting which will smooth your PC's performance. Now after maintaining your other setting, what you need to do is simply you need to click on that apply button so that your setting will be confirmed and then it will also take some time. Then what you need to do is simply click OK. Also click OK. Now what you need to do is to get the benefit, what you need to do is simply restart your PC. After restarting, once your PC's performance will be much improved than before. Be aware that this process will not make your PC much faster, but yeah, your PC's performance will be boosted than before. So if you like this video and this video helped you, then do subscribe to this channel and share this video so that other people can be helped. So see you soon with next tech episodes.